Now, can anybody tell me what is wrong with these bumblebees? I've been sitting here looking at them for a bit, but they're just not moving. Oh, that one is moving now. Wow. And there's one that's also moving. Oh, look. But this one? No idea. It just rained really hard after 2 or 3 days in the high 30s Celsius. And now it cooled down. So happy, but yeah. You know, when it's hot, I don't come inside. So that tree looks really sad. No idea. Didn't get water. I don't do anything. I'm just gonna see what it does without water or me interfering in it. Oh. It looks quite dead in here. It has the full sun from 5:30 or 6 in the morning till about 2. Yeah. But oh yeah, that doesn't look that happy either. Oh yeah, will come back to life, I think. That was a Christmas tree from 2 years ago. Doing well. And my rosemary. So huge. I saw in some comment that it was expensive. Well, come shop with me. You can cut it. I don't mind.